Single-use plastic. It's been a necessary evil for way too long. We've all been there. You're standing in the produce aisle at the store and you're forced to resort to those toxic plastic bags to gather up spinach and loose lettuce leaves. I was fed up with this option, which contributes to the world's plastic pollution problem. So I created our gorgeous produce bags. A 100% natural, lightweight cotton bag designed specifically for your loose produce, which means you can finally ditch the plastic. When you get home from the store, you simply rinse the bags whilst your loose leaves are still in them and get rid of all the excess water, then place the bags inside or on top of your swag in the crisper so the leaves don't get squashed. The swag produce bags are built to last years. They're lightweight and fully compostable at the end of their life. They're the perfect companion to your grocery shopping. If you're looking for a way to reduce food waste, save money and save the planet, then head to our website to learn more about the swag or follow us on social.